Okay. Requirement here is like whenever we have a order from a customer, then we'll create a sales order. Sales order. Then after that, we'll do a booking. Then pick release. Pick release at the time of picking goods from M1. If you don't have a stock, let's say there is no stock. So at that time, what you have to do, you have to purchase it. So how to purchase it? Like we have to create a requisition. That requisition name is here purchase requisition, not internal requisition like earlier, because we are going to buy from outside people. Then approval, and we'll have to create a PO. Who will raise a PO? Buyer. Buyer will raise a PO, and then we'll receive a goods. That's called as a receipt. That's a PO receipt. Then after that, what is the next step here? Supplier will send a invoice. That's called as an AP invoice. And now we should see here awaiting shipping in the sales order line level status. Here is a place. I'm sorry. Awaiting shipping. Once you have an awaiting shipping, what you can do, then you can proceed further with the pick release shipping and all. So these are all the steps here. So till here you have to do same steps only. So these two belongs to O2C cycle, and these are all belongs to P2P cycle. It's a combination of P2P, O2C both. So for this, there are certain prerequisites here. There is a concept of here drop shipment also. In the drop shipment, we will not receive physically. Supplier only will directly deliver goods to the customer. There is no involvement of our warehouse people. So supplier only directly delivering goods. That's called as a drop shipment that we'll see in the other flow. So right now this flow name here is back to back order. Now there are certain prerequisites here also. In other words, we'll call it as an setups also. Prerequisites are setups. The first step will be here. Item creation. Same item, whatever you have used in O2C, P2P, we can utilize it, but we have to do additional attributes. Like let's say go to now inventory. Instead of using the old attributes and stacking somewhere, create a new item, master items. Guys, is that recording session? Can you just observe?
Yes, sir.
It's already there. You can give some number also, like item number, okay? Or else B2B. This also you can give, or icon also. You can write any alphanumeric and special characters, whatever. Okay, but while querying and all, you will struggle. That is the reason why I'm just giving some numbers. It will be easy for me. Correct? Then it's an laptop. Okay. Now, usually what you can do, you can go to copy from purchased, done. Then go to purchasing tab. So here is the place we have to enable a default buyer here and list price also. List price, let's say 5,000 I'm giving. And then order management here. ATO we have to enter here. ATO stands for assemble to order. ATO. There are other terminology also required here. Just to know only. ATO, PTO, CTO. These are all other module terminology like bills of material and all. But just if it comes to you, like we should know here, assemble to order, process to order, configure to order. You will not be able to understand if I tell you also what is configure to order, what is process to order. It's again big flows, and these are from other modules actually, ATO, PTO, CTO. So, but right now, what you need to do, ATO, we have to check additionally. The checkbox is required, otherwise you will fail. Internal orders not required because this is not an internal sales order. Okay. Now go to WIP. WIP you can see here work in process. Here this must be checked. It's already checked. Okay. And there is a general planning tab here. There is a general planning tab. Here is a place you are making an item. No, you are buying. You are buying from other source. So that's these are already there, but definitely if someone is changed, then it will not work. Okay. Okay. So there are 4 tabs here we have seen. First is what it is. Purchasing. These two. Now next. RWAP, let's say. The checkbox. And one more. General planning. Make or buy. And order management. Assemble to order. These are all the prerequisites. Now the next step here is sales order. But before that, there are other options also there. Like you need to open periods in various modules related to this flow. Usually P2P, O2C, what are the modules will come? In P2P, what are the modules? Order management. No, P2P. P2P cycle. Purchase order. Then AP. Then GL, correct. AR comes under O2C. AR, OM, correct? But in OM, there are no periods. Then inventory. These are all the modules. You need to check the periods. Okay. Navigations 100% required it is. So if you are sucking somewhere, then you are stopping there only. No, you have to continue actually. So let's say for purchasing, what is the navigation? So I'm going here to the purchasing module. Go to purchasing vision operations. Yeah. Setup. Organizations. Financials. Accounting. This is the PO periods. Okay. I know you went this navigation, but that is for something else. But this is for your control purchasing periods. Your year is like you have to give year. make sure periods this month. Right now it is open. If it is closed, you'll not be able to do any transactions. Okay, that's for purchase order. Remember the navigation here, setup financial. Still, if you are not able to remember, there is a shortcut, Control L, periods. There is a control purchasing period. Straight away it is open. This is also best option. If you don't remember navigation, that is a shortcut. Okay. Now come to account payable. Then mostly periods will be available here only. Setup or else just see accounting. Setup also we can get it, but for simplicity, they have preferred the navigation here. Accounting and control payable periods. Your ledger name in the company, it will change ledger name. So ledgers, where can you see first of all? Everywhere table, table, table. You should know the table. That's it. Ledgers and all, where we can define in which module? General ledger. So is there any table starts with ledger? All the tables are available into F&D table. Actually, it is a GL ledger, but I am showing you. Okay. Where table name like GL. There are 39 rows. Still 17 rows are there, right? This is a table name. Okay. And the primary ledger or ledger name, if you want to check it, definitely we have to use GL ledgers. Your ledger ID is what it is? This one. Okay. But in the company, it will change. Remember, from where we have to derive here is by using GL ledgers. Go to use in operations. Find now which module. So it is a 12th period. So sorry, we selected other thing. That's why I got confused. Why Street is showing 2012 only? Hmm? We have opened actually. Many people are struggling with these periods. Even though we teach navigations, they are not able to do all this. That's why we have opened throughout here in the server itself. But in the company, you have to make sure all this. How many period statuses are there? These are all closed, open, and one more also there. Future use and all. Right now it is not showing, but here is a place you can see. Future never opened, open. These values you have to remember. Okay. Is this clear? AP. Navigation also I have mentioned. Simply what you have to do, accounting, control payable periods, and give that. Next, general ledger. Here is the place. Setup. Here also there. Open, close. Both are same. These are all open. Now next, AR. Receivables. Can check somewhere here. Accounting. No, somewhere I can just 1 minute. This is all. You can see the navigation here. Okay. Same ledger everywhere. Fine. Clear? The next last one is inventory. Accounting close cycle. Inventory accounting periods, M1 or V1, whatever. It is opened already. Okay. If you want to open any period, simply double enter like this. It's open. You choose the record, click on change status, and then whatever. Okay. Periods. Now you have to tell me for purchase order what is the navigation. I'll type it. Setup, financials, accounting, control. Perfect. Good. Now for AP, control payable periods, right? For GL, open close. For AR, control, control, accounting, then just go again. This one. Open close periods. Inventory. Accounting. Close cycle. Inventory. Periods. So are you okay with the navigations? So these are all one-time learning. Now next third one is set up buyer. Buyer in which model you can set up? Go to purchasing. Navigation. Setup. Personal. And then buyers. Here is the place we can add the buyer from HRMS. Whatever the employee there is already available, you can simply like this. You can choose it and you can click on save. But right now it's okay. It's already there. Only you should know the navigations. So without this, the flow will not be smooth. Remember. Clear about this? All the steps. Now next, go with the sales order onwards. Take this item and use it into your sales order. See, it is not showing up EOM and all. You know why it is not showing up? Transaction. No, if it is price, okay, you are saying, but why it is not showing? EOM and all, it has to come automatically, right? And you need to add item to the price list also. There is one more step also here. Fourth step. Add item to the price. Miscellaneous transaction not needed because we don't have a stock. That's the reason why only we are going to buy the goods from other people. So we no need to create miscellaneous transaction. So you forgotten to assign to organization assignment. Okay, in the flow we missed it. Tools, organization assignment. Save. Okay. Go to order management. Then same order we can take. Line items. Your item number that you have to take. Now it will come automatically. See, the moment I enter an order, press tab, it will come UOM also. If UOM is not coming means you missed to assign that particular item to the warehouse. Okay, if you don't enter anything, by default price will come, not an issue. But if you want to make it other price, then you have to add item to the price list. So how to add item to the price list? So this is the price list, correct? This is the price list. For price list also there is another responsibility. Oracle Pricing Manager Global. There are two things here. One is purchasing specific to purchase order module, but right now it is price list setup. Now add this item here. You can use the same. Go to line items. Entered right now. Your header level set is also entered. Line level is also entered, correct? Now we have to book it. Book the sales order. These are all the two common things only. We'll get it. Continue. Go to line items. Supply eligibilities. Okay. You need to get the supply eligible only. This is another status here. After booking, usually you're supposed to get awaiting shipping in case of a normal status sales order. So supply eligible is right only. But here it is entered. And the moment you book it, supply eligible. Now we have to progress the order here. Progress order. Right click. There is a progress order. Check this. Now the status immediately changed to external requisition requested after submitting. Okay, these are all status is very important at line level. Okay. Now pick release anyway we are not doing. So this is just for awareness only. I told you, right? After progress order, what you have to do, we have to create a requisition. So requisition, how we can create here is there is a requisition import program is required, correct? Requisition import, where can you see? This is a program. Click on this. Or import source, from which module you are importing. There is a configure to order, CTO. Okay. Now requisition will be created. Now requisition is created already. If you click on view output, you can see the number of requisitions created is 1, but it is not given what is the number created. So you can verify here in the order organizer or sales order screen. Click on this. Your sales order number, take this. Now go to line items here. Here is a place, tools. There is a scheduling option, tool scheduling and reservation details. It's already created requisition, but it's mapped to requisition automatically. Just click on this and go to supply tab. Here is the place. This is the requisition number. 16806 is the requisition number. It is. Take this number and keep over here. Click on this. Now next step will be what it is, approval, right? Approval. Check whether it is approved already. Where can you check approval? As usually, I need to go to purchase order, but here itself there are some options are there here related to purchase order. Then sorry, requisition related first. Summary, right? We wanted to know the status of requisition, correct? It's already approved. Imported. Imported from where? From order management we have imported. So how many types of actions you have seen here as of now? Now phone how many types of actions we have seen as of now? Now, okay. Earlier in P2P, while creating a requisition, just remember, submit is on, correct. Next, closed, rejected, approved, cancelled, right? We have seen many things. In which table you can see that action code, right? Right now we have seen this. Why it has came import here is we imported from order management. That's why import came here. ఇది కాదు అందుకే రెండు మనం కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతాం ఇది కాదు ఇంకోటి ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాల్ ఉంది ఇప్పుడు గో ఫోన్ లేదా చూడు clear approval. Now next is what it is, PO. So to create a PO, you know already, correct? How to create a PO? What is the option we have to use? No, auto create, you forgot, right, already? And these two I told you already to clear, but if people are still keeping and searching on a number and you are saying sending screenshot, You have to see line by line. You will get like this only. So what you have to do initially, clear, then requisition. Whatever I'm saying, telling in the video, every line is important. You have to go through. Supplier, anything you can give, but I am habituated with the Advantage Corp. Okay, create. Now it is incomplete status. Okay. Now you can approve also here. See, tables and all I am not telling. In the notes I mentioned, of course. 6956 is the PO. Whether it is reserved or not for your sales order, you have to verify. And guess what could be the status of sales order line? Earlier, what was the status previously? Awaiting shipping. No, that is normal O2C. External requisition requested, and we create a requisition also. Now, what could be the status at PO level? That was my question. You are at PO level. Go to now sales order. Line items. Same story. You have to go to tools, then scheduling, reservation details, then supply tab. After that, here is the place. This is the PO number. It's already mapped. Correct? And what could be the status of your sales order? That's what my point. My point is, this is the one. If someone asks you how many line level statuses you know, then you can easily tell many, right? In normal O2C, ISO, you have seen so many. PO open. And finally, this is the step. PO receipt. Okay. PO receipt, where you have to go? You have to go to purchasing module. See, everything I'm doing from auto management. I'm not going to purchase order again. Otherwise, I need to switch, come back. These are all time waste for me. Okay. Go to now. Purchase order. Purchasing. Then receiving. Receipts. Here, M1. Your requisition number or purchase order number. Anything you can give. Check it. This tolerances and all, ignore it. If any limit crossed, your sub inventory, scrap materials, staging, whatever you want, floor stock. Okay. It's up to you. I am selecting stores. Save. Clear. Now go and check the sales order. There are a couple of programs submitted here, like earlier, pay and receipt auto invoice and payable open interface. How to create AP invoice automatically? What is the program? In P2P, I've seen, right? That is payables open interface import, correct? It will call now. In the meantime, you go and check the status of your sales order. Now awaiting shipping. If you get the awaiting shipping, then you can easily do the pick release shipping. You can proceed for this is the last step. You should see awaiting shipping. Back to back order is flow completed. Compared to other flows, it's easy a little, right? Because as you are already aware other flows, then it's easier. If straight away, if I start back to back, then you will struck. Okay. So my class is completed, guys. Any queries before closing?